Hey, welcome in. My name is Michael. Today I will be showing you the least expensive health insurance and health care, as well as a very affordable one, with up to 60% in savings and on average $8,000 saved per person annually. I'll get into the individual plans, there are employer plans, and the flat fee RX program, and this being through the best platform. Let's get it started. Right here, what you see, DAC Healthcare by Clearwater, high quality healthcare up to 60% savings. Upgrade your healthcare and save. It's that simple. With the video on the right, you will want to watch. Right now, we are on the individual plans. There's the employer plans, the flat fee RX, and then we'll go into the home right now. Streamline your healthcare decisions with our comprehensive benefits platform, expert guidance to tailor the perfect health insurance for you, health sharing, or government exchange plan for you and your loved ones. The best thing you want is coverage, and all year round, you want to be taken care of in the most respect and organized way. And knowing that there are people that care about you and your best interest at heart as a person in your health, in your relationships, in your wealth, in your individual life, perhaps in business, and much more. Down here, you see individual plans, which we'll get into here soon, employer plans, and flat fee RX. More affordable and better coverage, individual plans, high quality healthcare that fits your budget and your needs. That's what's most important. And if you are having a hard time with open enrollment or you're not satisfied with what you're getting, you can't get the coverage you want and everything underneath it, and you want more flexibility, this is a great option. Open enrollment, get started with a plan that suits you any time, which is amazing. Other times with others, you'd have to go through like November and December through the government and other plans, and this is open at any time. Designed for self-employed and 1099 employees, but great for W-2 employees too. Enroll now, learn more. We'll go into that here soon. Employer plans, huge savings up to $4,000 per employee, comprehensive coverage, nationwide PPO network, minimal copays for doctors, diagnostics, and prescriptions. Telemedicine at no extra cost, health solutions at your fingertips, literally. Significant out-of-pocket savings, cut expenses by 60 to 80%. That is huge. When you have extra at the end of the year rolling in every single month, you'll be better prepared and for how you need to use it in your business, outside of your business, individual needs, taking a vacation, not having the stress levels that you may have right now, or just even a little bit of it, and just letting that go and taking more time for yourself and being around your loved ones is very important. And that's something that I have huge value for is family. Mental health support, virtual solutions for your employees' well-being, the flat fee RX program, avoid the high cost of the prescriptions you need, avoid the worry about how you will pay for them each month, avoid putting off other purchases because of the cost of your prescriptions, avoid getting the runaround from unresponsive customer service representatives. So right now we will get into the individual plans and then go into employer and then the flat fee RX. So we saw this here earlier, up to 60% in savings. You'll want to watch that video. In fact, I'm actually going to play it for you right now.
If you're absolutely thrilled with your current health insurance provider and the healthcare system in general, you can stop watching now. However, if you're like most Americans today, feeling like you overpay for crummy coverage, keep watching. You've probably had a few sleepless nights worrying about what'll happen if you suddenly needed urgent medical care. And if you're a small business owner or independent contractor, don't make the mistake of thinking this video isn't applicable to you. In most cases, it's worse for you. As an entrepreneur, most healthcare options are simply inaccessible to you, either because you don't meet the laundry list of conditions for government plans, or because private insurance is not only confusing, but even more expensive. So where does that leave you? If you don't have the time and resources to research it all yourself, we can help. At Clearwater, we believe in better benefits for all, so we've built the benefits platform for independent workers and the companies that empower them. We'll help you find the best plan, including plans not found anywhere else, at the best price, and make it easy and simple for you to get the benefits you deserve, with an average savings of $8,000. Contact us to find your own unbelievably better benefits.
That's amazing stuff. And it's great service and it's helped out a lot of people. And I think it's something you will love too. And by the way, down below in the description, there will be a link. It should be the very first one you can click on to go and check this out. As we go down here, it says care coordination service, all the way down here to low cost prescriptions. Plans offer competitive prescription pricing, patient price prescription programs to help with specialty medications, and some plans even have $0 generics. Mental health care included, mental health matters. That's why they partnered with Talkspace, one of the biggest ones in this space, including with all plans it's included with. $0 telemedicine, get healthcare from the comfort of your own home 24/7 with $0 telemedicine visits. Expanded PPO network plans are part of the nationwide PPO network, so you can have broad access to providers, save money each and every month. And that's a huge emphasis that a lot of us want. With a variety of healthcare solutions, they provide you with high quality healthcare at an affordable rate. Healthcare that is affordable, giving you access to the doctors you want, high quality healthcare that fits your budget and needs, open enrollment, and designed for self-employed and 1099, employees, but available for W-2 employees too. The Clearwater difference, 10,000 in average annual family savings, greater than 90%, doctors and specialists in network, 300 plus five-star Google reviews, and you can see here the testimony overview. Down here, ready to build your own plan, you can find your price. Before we click any of those buttons though, let's go over here to the employer plans. Here you see custom health solutions for all company sizes, clear savings, leverage the industry expertise to access high quality benefits at cost-effective prices, all while enjoying unparalleled service. Book a discovery meeting. Underneath here, you'll see the quality benefits for different sizes of companies. So on the left-hand side, we're on the tab up to 25 employees, all the way over to the right, why Clearwater, and then in between 25 to 1,000 employees. And up to 25 employees, you see boost your business with Clearwater's innovative health share. Small companies, which is up to 25 for this, are pillars for the economy. But finding quality, affordable benefits is a challenge, especially without a dedicated HR team. Yeah, that is a huge challenge for many. And you might be going through that right now. Why choose Clearwater? Huge savings up to $4,000 per employee annually. Just imagine what you could put more back into your pocket, back into the business, and also being able to be more effective profitability wise and in other sections of your business. And then you can improve on and then understand your expenses and cut other expenses and have that lowered. Comprehensive coverage, nationwide PPO network, minimal co-pays for doctors, diagnostics, and prescriptions. Telemedicine at no extra cost, health solutions at your fingertips, significant out-of-pocket savings. You can cut expenses by 60 to 80%. Mental health support, virtual solutions for your employees' well-being. Let the dedicated consultants be your external benefits coordinators, streamlining the process and freeing up your leadership bandwidth. And it says here, ready to transform your employee benefits, schedule a call with us. Simple next steps, 1 through 3. From left to right, it is book a time, schedule a discovery call with the plan experts, meet with expert consultants, review your options. They make it extremely easy. Number 3, rest easy. Your benefits just got a whole lot better. Stress-free, feel better about things in my personal life, feel better about things in your personal life. Just sitting down on the couch when you're watching television or just relaxing. You don't have to feel the stress overcome you and feeling overwhelmed and unsure about where to turn to. If somebody's going to give you the runaround, they won't do what's in your best interest as a person. And so this is great stuff. And again, it says book a discovery meeting, and down below in the description will be the link for you to check this out. It's now easier to offer your team the best healthcare benefits to support them and your bottom line. Here's what they do: custom plan. They create a custom tailored offering based on your exact needs. Two, ongoing support. They provide ongoing industry leading support for your organization and workforce. Here's how you benefit from your new benefits. Healthy workforce, the fastest way to create a healthier, happier, and more productive workforce. If everybody on your team, all of the employees, yourself are happy, you're going to be more productive. You show up every day without a doubt, and it's not causing a problem with one person, and then that causes another person to think differently, or just that one. And that can grow fast, and you don't want that to happen. You want everybody pleased and happy and taken care of at the end of the day, themselves, their family, and more. Improved performance, improve recruitment, retention, and engagement with $0 cost to you, more time for you, the ability to focus your attention back on building your company, knowing they've got you covered. Ready to build a plan there again. And then we'll go into the flat fee RX program, and then we'll close up here. But again, down below in the description is how you can get started. Here you see, welcome to the nation's first flat fee pharmacy program, and where most all prescriptions are free. The friendly pharmacist coaches are here to help. Have a question or need a prescription transfer, sit back and relax. They are there to take care of it for you. And over here, you see some tabs we might go through here soon. And they make it easy for both you and your doctor. Medications can be e-prescribed, called in for, or faxed, and can be picked up at your local pharmacy or delivered right to your home. Down here, a flat monthly membership equals free prescriptions for everybody, for everyone. Prescription drug prices have skyrocketed over the last few years to the point people can no longer afford them. And yeah, it's pretty bad out there, especially right now in this market. You shouldn't have to choose between feeding your family or taking your medications. DAC's new flat fee pharmacy program, partnered with My Free Pharmacy, has created a new concept where you actually pay a monthly flat fee and then pay nothing for your prescriptions. So pretty unique platform to go through. Through strategic partnerships and the buying power, they can get you access to the most used generic medications for free. Get 800 plus of the most prescribed medications for free. On the left-hand side here, you see the number 128. Members can get 90% of the most prescribed acute, immediate need medications. You have some examples of which ones those are. And then on the right-hand side, 688, members can get 90% of the most prescribed chronic maintenance medications, and you see some examples there too. Get access to free medication at your local pharmacy or delivered right to your home. If you're tired of overpaying for your prescriptions, this is great. They are too. So they created a revolutionary way for you to get your medicine for free. No coupons, no gimmicks, and no fake prices. Subscribe for as low as $19.95. You can click there to subscribe. Flat fee pharmacy is a game changer. DAC's flat fee pharmacy program, powered by My Free Pharmacy, has been designed to make the most prescribed medications available for free to everyone. These drugs are typically used to treat conditions like diabetes, heart disease, high cholesterol, depression, and more. With DACs, with DAC's flat fee pharmacy, they carry the most used medications at no cost to the customer. Subscribe today and get, you see, a whole list of them. I'm not going to go through them even though I can pronounce, but you see the list of them right there, and hundreds more for free. And you can view the full drug list. And over here, how much are you spending? You can look at that. We're going to kind of speed through this. E-prescriptions make it easy for providers to electronically send prescriptions to your local pharmacy or home delivery service, with orders going out as soon as the same day. So you do want to save. You make sure you have more in your pocket to use as you choose to for other emergencies and reasons and things that come up in life, as they always do. Spontaneously just tends to happen. And you want to be prepared, especially in your later years, younger years, and a lot of this, that you want the right coverage for it and not overspending for things that you shouldn't be. And you believe you know that you're overspending for things. And even if you weren't, you want to be more cost effective and at what you're looking at. And so here, members can get a 90-day prescription for literally $0 shipped to your home for free, accepted at 64,000 pharmacies nationwide, including Walgreens, CVS Pharmacy, Walmart Pharmacy, Rite Aid, Albertsons. Questions about prescriptions? The customer service team is there to help in any way that they can, from looking up medications to educating new customers and even transferring your existing prescriptions for you. So you see that there, and as we scroll up here, I'll show you how they look like on the inside when we click the button. But up here, let me find it. By clicking here, that'll bring you to this page on the program. And curious if the medication you take is on the free list. They carry all the top medications, which covers over 90% of the drugs prescribed every day. Download and or search our entire list of over 800 plus medications. They have an ever-growing list of the most used medications in the country available to you for free. The pharmacy team has created a list of the statistically most used drugs by Americans each year. The list is always growing and is reviewed each quarter for accuracy as trends evolve. Search the most up-to-date list today. So you'll have that ready to go without any questions, without even calling in and checking in all of this and taking more energy and time to do that. You have all of this and being kept up most to date in what's best for you. You can download the formulary, search the full drug list, view our full offering for diabetic patients, the comprehensive diabetes program you see there. I'm not going to go through every detail, but you see it on screen. You can pause it and then come back to it if you need to. Members with diabetes will get a free meter, low-cost testing strips, lancets, and more. So you see that on screen, the images, and you see a little bit more there as we go through and what you could do. If you have questions, there's that. And we're going to go back to, or we'll go over here to how it works. You can learn more here. Stop paying for prescriptions. It's easy. Simply follow these 6 steps to free medication. And I won't cover each one step, but you can see it on the screen. You can feel free to pause. But down below in the description, you can check it out by going through the page and or pages too. And then they offer 800 plus most prescribed drugs in America for free and 128 generic acute medications, 688 generic maintenance medications, and for immediate need. And you see here just a few from the list. See on the screen. If you view the full drug list, frequently asked questions, what's the difference between a brand name drug and a generic equivalent drug? You can go through all of this. I'm not going to go through each and every detail, but what if my drug is not available in generic form? What should I ask my doctor? Why aren't all medicines on your drug list? Generic medications make up for 85% of the medications that I dispensed in America each year. The list accounts for 90% of medications prescribed. The list has medications grouped in more than 22 therapeutic, I was going to say like a year, therapeutic classes, making sure that we have a very well-rounded formulary treating at a variety of chronic and acute conditions. And you can see here more or less accepted where we saw that earlier. And then subscribe today, drug search, FAQs, member portal, healthcare division. You go to subscribe today. It'll bring here, choose a plan that best suits your prescription, immediate medication needs. And you can then select here for family, single, annual, single. And it says, thank you for considering the new revolutionary pharmacy program, My Free Pharmacy. To get signed up, simply fill out the form below and check out through our secure payment gateway. If you have any questions or concerns, please call the customer service team and you have the number in front of you. Enrollee details, additional information, simple things to fill out, the order, then it'll have everything there, and then you can continue to the payments, and it shows you can pay with your credit card. So it'll have the subtotal, recurring total, subtotal, total, their product, and then the membership. And if we come back to the last page, we'll go into, you can go to different pages here just so you know that. And we go here. You can learn a little bit more there. And as you click on the subscribe now, it'll bring you to that same page we were on. And let's go back to one of our older pages from the beginning. So in here, whichever one applies to you, you can see here too, or the individual pages. You can learn more. You go to that individual page and then enroll now. And then here, it'll look similar to some of the other for like the employee, and I'll show you how that one is too. Ready to discuss your customized plan and get a quote in 4 simple steps. Step 1, receive an online quote. Unlock your ideal plan and pricing. Just answer a few general questions. Step 2, speak live with the plan expert. Step 3, order your coverage. And then step 4, reap the benefits. On the right, you see a form. It's very simple to fill out. You see all of that there. It'll just ask for name all the way down here to like just my agent ID is on there. but phone number, email to get started. And you can click over here in case or find my price, and it'll bring you back down there. And if we come up here, you'll see how it looks like on the employer plans. Book a discovery meeting. It's the same thing you're seeing here, but now for employer plans. So if we go down here, you see this more or less the same, but with the difference of down here says, do you currently offer health insurance? And just a few different questions and stuff like that. Okay, so that'll round up everything in this video. I hope you got a lot of value from it and you have a better understanding of why this healthcare in this platform is very important and advantageous to you, and how it's very cost effective, savings, and put back more into your pockets individually for family reasons, taking the vacation, or for business reasons, more profits, more cash flow, have savings to put back and reinvest in your business, move around your expenses, maybe spend on something else that's what you're doing are out right now already equally expensive or not, or lower, that you can invest into another opportunity and manage your expenses better, cost of goods sold, cost of sales, the variable and fixed costs, and a lot more. And that'll be everything for me. If you did get value from it, please give it a thumbs up, share with others. I'd greatly appreciate that, but you don't need to if you don't want. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and click that bell notification icon so you do not miss any future content I will be coming out with. And again, in the description down below, you can click the link to go and check this out and get started. That is all for now. Take care. Bye.